We guide you through how to add animated GIF to your Outlook email. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook and click New Email, then place your cursor where you want the GIF to appear inside the message body. Next, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device. If the GIF is saved on your computer, locate your GIF file and click Insert, and that's it. Outlook will embed the GIF directly into the email, and it should animate automatically when viewed in supported email clients. But here's a quick tip. Keep your GIF file size small, ideally under 1 to 2 MB to avoid slow loading or delivery issues. And make sure the first frame of your GIF clearly shows your message in the case the animation doesn't autoplay for some recipients. Also avoid copying and pasting GIF from browsers because that can break the animation. Always insert the original file instead. And before sending, click Preview or send a test email to yourself to confirm the animation works properly.